Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Guys, over the weekend I went for an amazing event. It was tagged Creating a Day by with Audacious. Guys, it was an amazing experience. It was so amazing. I just loved everything about this event, and I pitched my brand. I pitched Lara Savage Creations, guys, and I won. It felt so amazing putting my brand out there and seeing the amazing reception that I got from the audience. Guys, I'm going to put the pitch in this video. It's not so perfect, but at least it got me a win. So I'd like you guys to stick around, watch this video to the end, and enjoy this whole experience with me.
Hi everyone, my name is Lara Savage and my brand name is Lara Savage Creations. At Lara Savage Creations, we create pieces that are sustainable and eco-friendly. Now today I'm not going to be talking. I'm going to be showing you guys a practical pitch of my brand. Now everything I'm wearing right now is either reversible or convertible. With this jacket I can style it in at least 4 ways. So you can button it up and turn it to a top, or you can wear it as a jacket just like I'm doing like this. Now that's not all. You can also turn it to the other side and wear it as a totally different top entirely. Now this top as well is also reversible. Now the pants, you might be like, okay, it's reversible, right? No, these pants are not reversible, they are convertible. Now I'm going to show you guys a practical example.
Please. From church to club.
With this, you can turn your pants into a short. Parties on Friday night, so you don't want to be left out. After work, you can go to the beach, join your colleagues, join your friends, and enjoy yourself. Now we also launched a Jet Ease travel luggage yesterday on our brand. You can turn a garment hanger into a duffel bag. Now you can go to my Instagram at Lara Savage Creations to see how that works, or you can go to my list corner right here and I'll show you a practical way in real life of how it works. I'm creating a sustainable way people can live in wearing clothes that you can wear in multiple ways. So you can have one clothes, and when you wear it another, nobody will know it's the same clothes you are wearing. A different and like piece of
Sorry, guys, come again. We didn't get the question, please. Just come again, question.
Why should I buy it as I don't buy from another fashion designer?
So with my brand, you get more for less. So even if I'm buying a fabric, and because I'm buying 2 different fabrics, right? If instead of lining it and spending so much money on wearing a clothes that is already lined and you can't wear the inside, I create pieces that I'll spend money once and still create something that you can wear in 10 ways. There are some pieces I have on my brand that I can wear in over 10 ways. So that's like the selling factor of my brand. So you're wearing one piece, you're paying for that one piece. They're actually affordable. Exactly.
Sorry. Okay, so this is not even a question because I work in fashion. I think the best answer to the problem you're solving right now is the problem of waste material.
Yes.
This is sustainable fashion.
Yes, sustainable fashion.
And in fashion, there's a lot of problems surrounding waste products. Like we have, in Europe, they have like a major problem with waste material. With what you're doing right now, that inside, it's like an after product of another material that's already
yes,
that
yes.
you are converting into an actual wearable piece. So that's